Welcome back to AS E DEY HOT. Before we go that quick break, we'll be to discuss the first story we get to do with Papa Oyoyo. Based on, say, President Buhari don't return back to Nigeria with plenty ginger to continue in work. Now, yesterday, all this one happened for the Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport when they for inside Abuja. Like I talked before we go the break, we talk, say, Oga Presido been take 10 days leave based on, say, he won't go treat in here as the thing they give us some kind of different wing sound where they be like, say, no, they hear well. And they can extend them because he's supposed to come back on Thursday, but they extend them to Sunday so that he go gather the body, come back. When they speak with news story people, he tell them, say, they're very, very strong. And even if they won't follow and fight wrestling, saying go stand with them and he know saying top past them. To come show saying really they strong, they been carry one helicopter we supposed carry him from the airport go State House. In contact say no, he go enter inside motor, carry road journey to show say in body don't full ground. But it get two important things we'll go correct from this story. The first one I say, before President Muhammadu Buhari commot, him be write letter give our National Assembly, say tell them say anything when the Vice President talk, make them agree say na him talk and based on say no hand over to the Vice President. We go recall say for this our country, get the time when we say one of our President been sick, they can't be like say they hide the whole story, they think they cause another particular thing. So this one now good example well in set, and we believe as he don't come back, God will give him the strength to continue to move this country forward.
Yes, and from there, we could enter straight to this constitutional amendment matter. Yes, over the weekend, the senators then meet for one 2-day retreat where they talk, say, look, that they need to do it. They need to look into the constitution and do it, amend them, at least bring in some new changes. And what will be the amendment? What did they bring for this one? Did they think about it? Did they seek for that? Is the life pension for National Assembly leaders? Then the committee head will be Oga, that is Oga Kweremadu. Now, he carry this matter table and say, okay, say they need to do it, they need to look into the at least. Say, make them give them their leader, that is the senators, that is the Senate president, the deputy, and you know, when it comes to other houses, say, make them give them life pension, at least immediately they finish their services, make them see continuity, at least for the pension what they give them. Say, based on this, make we know, say this, say, make we need to do it in strengthen our institution. Say, at least if they talk, say, we need to strengthen our institution, at least these are some of the things we also need to do to strengthen our institution. But a lot of people also look and say, strengthening of institution, there are other bills, there are other things when we pass into law. Must it be something where we say, we do always favor owner? Now they always do it. Now they think of strengthening. What about other bills where we say somehow if they no throw on one side, they go abandon them and all that. All those ones don't need strengthening, and they something also strengthen the institution. This now on top of the constitutional amendment will happen over the weekend by the Senate. And this one now also another important story when we say on the 10th of September we'll come see the particular results and the preparedness of the Independent National Electoral Commission to show say yes, so what happened for Kogi and Bayelsa, they don't learn lessons from them and then they're very, very ready. Make everybody don't forget, say we get 2 elections when go happen inside obodo Nigeria this year based on the staggered elections we don't get. Since Scott come out one time contact say no be this person win this election and that person win this election, it go happen first for Edo, then it go also happen for inside Ondo State. But the APC don't conduct their primaries for inside Edo State, and Oga Godwin Obaseki, the economist par excellence, now he win that particular one. So now he go wear the jersey of the All Progressives Congress to contest for the September 10th gubernatorial elections inside Edo State. It happened for the Samuel Ogbemudia Stadium for inside Benin City, the capital there, and 12 contestants, including Oga Godwin, now then jostle for that particular ticket. And Oga Godwin win with 1,618 votes when we say the delegates then cast for them. And this one self don't bring another important lesson, say internal democracy supposed they inside the political parties them. Everybody went talk say, I won't serve my people as governor or as any other person when we say they won't elect to represent them. May they give them the fair playing ground and the opportunity to do so. As they don't give them this one, we hope say INEC go learn lesson from this one so that the kind of things we happen for Kogi and Bayelsa last year, and even for Port Harcourt or River State earlier this year, the thing no go happen again. That one I get to do with Edo 2016. On your mark, get set. Now I go tell us whether we're done ready to go. Yeah, from there we could enter straight to these statistics. We just come out, and that is the country director of Plan International Nigeria. That is Dr. Hussein Abdul. Come out talk say about 14.8 million children now they waiting, now they affected by the Boko Haram. We don't happen in the last last 6 years. And according to the statistics, it can say about 7 million out of this figure say don't at least they need humanitarian attention. But then even at that, say about 2.8 million people they suffer from malnutrition according to within the doctor talk. You can also talk say look this is actually in celebration of that is the African Child's Day where they hold yesterday. You can talk at least with these statistics we need to do it. We need to address the issue of picking them when it comes to security, and also address the issue of picking when it comes to issues where we say we go affect them. Say at least these statistics we don't come out. I say it shows say somehow say we know they try our best at all to address the issue of that is to address issues that concern children and their health care, their welfare and everything. Now what Dr. Abdul talk over the weekend be that.
And our final story get to do with foreign exchange, Forex for short. Everybody knows that for inside obodo Nigeria, if you place our naira against the dollar, the naira don't fall, reach the extent when we say they even use wheelbarrow, they carry the thing no green stand. We don't know whether the dollar shine plenty power for where the naira they make the thing come for. But the Central Bank of Nigeria, they don't check the policy when they use before. They can't say it be like say go bad, make them try new idea. They can't try new policy, the one when they call the flexible exchange policy. And I believe say this one, it go give the naira ginger for where the dollar they go happen overnight. Then they hope say this week they go begin to see say the dollar the naira they get blood, and in the coming weeks the naira go come strong reach the level when we say it go even stand on the own when we say if dollar do the naira go even feel look back say okay wetin dey happen for this particular place. And Nigerians know say a lot of us they dependent on wetin they come from outside this country. If all these things when they come from outside this country now dollars will they take the pay am. If you can't check the way we say the naira don't fall for where the dollar dey, now we say people go they pay more. So government self as they come up with these policies when go ensure say our naira begin they get power, may they also they put certain things in place when go ensure say we get industries for here when we produce. So that is how we carry our money, they change them into foreign currencies, they buy things from outside, we go they buy things for inside obodo Nigeria here. All the 5 action stories when come up from weekend inside obodo Nigeria as e dey hot. Now we don't carry come, don't drop. We go discuss the matter then one by one. You self when they house, get the license to chook mouth inside and talk about anything be for because this country belong to all of us, and we're going to talk the matter as e dey hot. Nkubi, he get this particular story when we say he dey touch me because aside from the fact say I'm a lover of children. I believe say that the time when I go primary school, now the time when we say they just write this song. We are the leaders of tomorrow. Try to pay our school fees and give us sound education. The emphasis for that song when they place on the Nigerian child. Now they make me they told this line when I want to for this particular argument because I don't see any reason why over 14 million Nigerian children go they suffer from the badness of Boko Jaguda people. Now these children are not too powerful to protect themselves or to fight against, I'm going to speak English at all best, the vicissitudes of life when this Boko Jaguda badness don't throw. What is the government doing about this? What is society doing about this? Why it be say things go to happen under our own nose for our very before for this country? It go be like say no be problem. Now people from outside, people when we say then care about our own people, pass our government, pass the people of Nigeria, that then go begin to make noise. If they don't make noise, we don't go talk. Last week I recall say we come here and discuss say starvation. People they die 21 people every day they die of starvation. Why? I go drop this thing for ground now.
You go pay for them if you drop them.
No, my emotion. Now my emotion. 14.8. You get some countries for this world. They don't reach 14 million.
Just look at the figure yourself. This is not just figure for Nigeria alone. For Nigeria, 14.8 million naira. I mean, now I don't even they come on it.
You like money now.
See, look at how confused the matter is.
You like money.
Because I said the matter.
No, because una dey share money.
No, because of that. Because
and this shows the kind of person you are.
No.
See me fighting for children.
Hold on. I feel say the money at least if you translate at least take help these same children them. I think it's
so 14.8 million. I go help 14 million.
No, you never can tell. I think you go provide something.
You have exposed yourself.
This is what I'm saying. Basically, 14.8 children affected by the issue of Boko Haram. over the last time, how many years? Like 6 years. Not just affecting. If we say this affecting also, if we bring it down, say they apart from the fact say starvation there among, apart from the fact say the normal healthcare they not provide that. These same children they vulnerable to it. They also they vulnerable to the hands that say then they vulnerable to I think for victims to this same sect that because by the time we don't see cases where they bring them in, say okay, come if they're not taking care of you, we will take care of now. Okay, come go do poor for yourself, keep people and all that. These are the things where we say if you look at well, you go say true. This number, this figure over these last few years, where Boko Haram don't do it, don't really affect our country. You go say this figure. Not be just seeing a figure where they pick from. Now real statistics we don't show say yes. Now waiting it be and waiting our government they do about them. We had a system who say okay, we will address this issue. We'll address this issue. Okay, how far under the same addressing this issue? Now we don't hear the cases of starvation, children dying of hunger in their own country. Chukwudi, if you know the weight of ordinary try talk, how a person go be alien for your own country? Exactly. We understand, say, yes, there are issues, but it is also the right of the government. People who they fall victim, we don't get cases of say people from other countries go end up as refugees for another country. In the end, that same country will take good care of them. But these are refugees in their own same country. How come I would not even looking into their matter, address them? Exactly. 14.8, that isn't that huge? Exactly. Over the last how many years? 6 years. Very true. Come on. It's
very, very important.
Even as we speak, starvation, they keep children for this camp. Over 21 children daily. Calculate them weekly, calculate them by month. And nobody is even saying anything. Exactly. The greedy ones go, they invest, go behind the corner. They carry food what they keep for them. Your first story is my own, no? Calm down. No. Your first story is my own.
Calm down. Which one be your first story is your own? You go the verse illegal verse. When I start the verse, you call the team money. Now you don't call the verse. No. I
feel turn them into money. I say, okay, this is my only 2 quarter to helping you people.
But Uncle may not be like say we they shout for people when get power. Why calm down?
Why go make cannot shout? Now don't talk to me.
Calm down now. Calm down now.
No the time is calm down. Why will not go shout?
You won't make person to do something. You they shout for that. Now the shout when they shout for that. Go make.
They don't know something they go wrong before. Why not go shout? Make we shout if you want shout. Don't tell me to stop.
Use tactics now. Use tactics. That's what we call diplomacy. Now them get the power to do one.
They don't say diplomacy they exist before.
Calm down.
Okay, I don't hear you.
Calm down.
No, Allah.
These people, when we they talk to now, we don't already. I don't give them fire. What are you supposed to do now to come talk? Say okay.
Now calm you down.
No,
now calm you down.
No.
When I don't say the fire, it deserves what it is. It may calm you down.
Calm down.
Okay, I don't.
They say when person use right hand beat pikin, go use left hand draw.
No, I don't be your pikin in this case. Just go ahead with your example.
I know say I even forget as I don't tell you Happy Father's Day yesterday. Our people went there for house. It go good make all of us join our voice to talk to our leaders then. Then they represent us. People when they government, now then they control the apparatus and apparatchik of state. Even though John F. Kennedy talk say, ask not what your country can do for you, but what you can do for your country. Those of us when we say we be ordinary Nigerians, even though we dey special for inside this our country, e get the limit what we do. The law no give us power to do certain things, but those when the law give the power to spend money to protect these children, to build schools, to ensure say dem pay teachers to begin dey teach them, to give them health care and quality lifestyle, make dem do am. We don't vex for una, we don't rake, we don't tear eye, but we come dey appeal to una conscience now say una too be parents, una get children. Make all of us dey picture these children as our own and make we see what we go do. This no be the time to talk say where e dey happen Borno state, where e dey happen Adamawa state, where e dey happen Yobe state. E no concern me. I come from maybe Imo, I dey live for Bayelsa. No, na all of us this thing dey happen to until we begin dey look ourselves as Nigerians and see ourselves as getting the responsibility of helping each other. Na be say this country go move forward. We live am like that. You know see as I don talk to them small now, dem go look say okay Nkubi vex for us, but Chukwudi don talk the thing small. His diplomacy is tact. You know, I be class captain when I did primary school. So I sabi how to jam heads. No. I sabi how to settle. No, be jam. Settle.
We see, I all know say yes. We don't talk. Chukwudi don't talk. Do that. But then me somehow my body still know this satisfied. But we could just leave and Chukwudi talk. Let's move on.
We can't talk about our Oga presido as he don't return back to Nigeria.
With enough ginger.
And rather than make we even talk say, okay, he don't come, we can see. It go good make we identify some of the good examples when we say them set. And we know
as they identify the good example, we also spot out some things wey be say no also dey right.
Exactly, we go talk everything.
Because I know dey to just dey set up good example. I go also take wetin dey wrong for the whole system. Why would they talk about this one? Make also they talk about this one. Make them also we know as they take address ones wey
I happy say you know say for una party.
No, it is not a party affiliation thing.
No, it's not about it.
No, but
you can't run away. No, but you can't run away from it now.
Wait.
No, but you can't run away from it now.
You presented an issue.
You can't run away from it.
You presented an issue.
No.
And collectively as Nigerians will be, we address and say this is not right. This is not right. Say why children go they die? You and I.
Nobody they talk about children when they die. When they talk of Oga Presido, when go treat
no, they take you back. And they take you back to the first.
Don't take me back to anything. Take me to patience when they call us all the way from Benue. If you reach una party now, you go begin to do
why
like
no come get that patience?
Patience.
Madam Patience, good morning.
Good morning, Nkubi.
Good morning, Madam Patience.
Chukwudi, good morning.
I greet you, Madam Patience.
We not get light for us here, so I take the time. No, know the topic.
Yeah.
Okay, Madam Patience. Make I give you one when we say it go touch you well. They talk say 14.8 million children for inside this Nigeria. They suffer from Boko Jaguda badness. Some of them don't die. Some of them no fit go school. Some of them no they chop well. Some of them no get access to good medicine. We call they talk say, wetin government go fit do? Wetin we as Nigerians go fit do to use ensure say these children, when be the leaders of tomorrow, they know they suffer inside their fatherland.
The thing where I want to say we have representatives from those
these areas, these states, yeah.
The communities. We have local government chairman there. We have councillors there, House of Assembly, Senate, and so on. This is the commissioners, minister. What are they doing for the people there? Are they only there for Abuja? They right big way to spend money. I've never seen anything what those people do for them. But we Nigerians, we have multi-millionaires. We should help them. You see, this internal displaced people, if person never entered there, you don't know how these people
no, exactly.
Not especially all these grown-up girls. That is why you see them there, having children like say they beat children around the house because no proper education.
True.
How can you people grown-up girls with the grown-up men? What do you expect? Well, their children, when they get every day there. So these governments are their people supposed to educate them. They children, as soon as they chop money, they don't care. How they manage with the election self? Where people run away from the local government and their state. Who vote for them?
Very true.
So that is why we Nigerians are supposed to do the right thing. We're supposed to help these people. In terms of this place, when you come to Benue State here, we have a lot of them, which is not good. You see, when you see some people, their senses have gone. They're supposed to do something so that these people should go to their villages.
Back to their homes.
No matter you give them, they make a day satisfied. Look at you, you go to your brother place, you go to comfortable. You go there like a stranger until you go back to where you stay.
Very true.
And they are warning the people where they give this food. Some of them are using this food to better family, which is not good.
Madam Patience, thank you very much for this your important contribution.
Thank you very, very much,
Madam Patience. Appreciate that. May the Almighty God bless you. We thank you very, very much. She don't already talk and made it very, very clear. She said representatives of these people must make them their priority.
From the lowest background.
Say, now this thing now be my business. Not even how much I want collect. Now my people now be my business because now your people you don't represent. She also talk about the affluent people for society. People who ain't get money. Make them channel these resources to try to help these people. And it go good make government and agencies really they're very, very mindful because some human being get bad mind. How maybe food when they say maybe they serve children.
One person go carry truck, enter, go load, carry, go take feed your own family. Which can talk with that? I beg bless her there. I beg bless the issue this morning. Good morning.
This is Bless calling from Abuja.
Yes, Bless. Good morning. Will they hear you?
My contribution is concerning this PDP crisis. I don't know where Alimudu Sheriff become a member of PDP, not alone becoming their national chairman. Please, for God's sake, let that man leave PDP alone and go and continue with his party. PDP, they just realized their mistake that it's not supposed to be their leader.
Very
let
true.
that man leave the party for God's sake.
Oh, God bless you. Thank you very much for that important contribution. But if I say the call jam. If I say the call jam. Because we don't discuss about PDP. If I say the call jam. Thank you very much for that your important contribution. But we don't discuss anything about PDP. And somehow if I say the thing jam. We go still continue. We get Oga Daniel.
Oga
Daniel, they call
now.
us all the way
Good
from
morning.
Ajawa State. Oga Daniel, good morning and welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Good morning, Chief Chukwudi. Good morning, Kobe.
Good morning, Oga Daniel.
My own contribution concerning these children, they say, actually, it seems as if this government, what did they do? They say they just want to make sure, say, everybody is so poor so that they will just wound, pack everything waiting for this country. One of the politics where they play for this country, they make sure, say, people, they inside poverty. Make they not just understand themselves. Make they not just know where did they go. Because the more people they poor, they not gonna know what thing they go talk. You don't go ask a hungry man as right now, you say what you will go do for these people. Me, are they hungry? Are they find hard to take hustle, take money, I take talk. So poverty now one instrument when our leaders they take me say we don't even understand ourselves. Nobody they look left, nobody they look back.
Oga Marco, Oga Daniel, may I quickly ask this question?
Yes, my brother.
If they see this as strategy to make sure say people go through pains, so you know to say that thing will eventually somehow bounce back on the same people where they carry out the badness. If not, what do you think?
Hello, I don't get you well.
I say you the talk say at least the strategy where they use now to ensure say people pain, suffering, people they used to them. I can say with this thing, a lot of things feel play out. Crime feel plenty. A lot of things go. I tell you to say go eventually bounce back on the same people.
Yes,
where it is say
talk the same thing. Now the same thing with they talk, bro Nkubi. Now the same thing with they talk. He go bounce back. The thing don't they bounce back to everybody. He don't they bounce back whether we like or not. So the thing they bounce back now.
Okay.
Very soon you go just discover say everywhere don't they hot. Let I give you one example. If you come Lagos here. All these boys when you see, all these Agboro boys, those ones now one Boko Haram where they wait to explode. But we know they see them. Because very soon, now those boys no can't get anything. You bring any policy, come, where they no change. You go see them. Already, they go start to unleash harm on everybody. But before then, we will go say, where this one come up from? They everywhere when we see. Now just because somebody they sponsor them, somebody they on top where policy never touch them. Now make where they never react. The day when somebody else go come, one day you go see them, they will come become the equivalent of the Niger Delta militants where they get.
Very
our
true.
leaders know what thing they do. They hold all these boys.
But Oga Daniel.
Yes, my brother.
Waiting, we get people when they bad. We get people when they good. We know say as bad people they try to. Good people they do their best to see say then correct that one. What thing the good people go do to use ensure say this culture of entrenching or enthroning poverty over the people, the thing no go there. But now that one an assignment, take home question because we go rush enter inside break. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue our discussion. Thank you very much for your call, Oga Daniel, all the way from Ajawa State. Will they come back? AS E DEY HOT. To enjoy more of these our ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.